Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to drive with the example of servlet, how to communicate the one servlet to another. So this is a very good example for that. So let's run the application and check. Right. So this is the username. So we have to enter the whatever username. Okay. Click login button. It goes to the first servlet. Hello. Click the button to proceed, right? If you click the button, it goes to generate the second servlet and show the session here. Hello Peter is the person is as a session. Welcome message will be displayed. Okay, like this, right? So how to communicate one servlet to another? This is a very good example, right? So let me see how to do the task step by step. Very simple. So first what I am going to do is here, go to the new. Here I am going to select as dynamic web project. Here I am going to give the name, right? So I am going to give the servlet example. Okay, whatever name, I just give the servlet example. Next, finish. Right. Okay, your new file has been created successfully with the name of servlet example. This one, right? So here I am going to create first JSP file. So select the web content folder, new JSP file. We have to give the JSP file name is index.jsp. Click next, finish. Okay, now here I am going to create a simple form, right? Simple form design I am going to create. I no need to create again by again. I have already created, so I just copy this one and paste it here. This is a simple form design. I have a one input field which is a user, right? The username, when you are enter the username on this input text box, click login, it will be redirect to first servlet, right? It asks the button to click. If you are click the particular button, it will be redirect to second servlet and show your username, right? As a session. So simply what I am going to do is here, go to the servlet, this our project, right click. Here we have to create the servlet class. So write new servlet, right? If it is not there, go to the others and you can find the servlet here. Okay, servlet. Next, you have to give the name. I am going to class name. I am going to servlet 1. Right. Click next, finish. Okay, the problem is this. We need only do post method only. This time I needed only the post method, right? Here also post, here also post, right? So another rest of the method we no needed. So here we have our project. This is our project, right? Inside the Java resources src, inside the src we have a servlet file, right? Servlet file. Only we need post method. Other first stuff we no needed. We just remove this. Okay, only the we keep only the post method, right? Okay, all the things we did this we no needed. Okay, this is a web servlet. This is a servlet 1, right? It generated successfully. Here what I did here is this is your right. This is your HTTP request and response, right? So first what I did is we have to get the request. So I already written. We have just copy and paste. I have explained it. No problem. Don't worry. If I write and explain, it take too much of time to complete this video. It is too long, so that it's so boring for you all to learn. Right. This simple code I have written. First I have implemented the HTTP session class. We have created the object session, right? HTTP session class, if you are write like this, it is automatically create your namespace above. If it is not created, you have to here click and you have to the automatically this class will be created above, right? So here string username, I have created the string variable user equal null. Inside the do post method, we have write the simple code here, print write class, which is used to print the HTML code, right? So inside the servlet. So after that, the response dot set content, this is HTML, the response, right? As response we have to get it as a HTML. So here first what I did here is, what is the user, this is the things first we have to write. This is a JSP file. When the user come to your page and enter the username and click login button, it goes to the post request action servlet 1. Servlet 1 means it goes to this servlet 1, the same name you have to give here. It goes here and you have to, what the user input field, the user, right? The same name will be taken here and put into data. Okay, right. This is the things we have to get it. After that, we have to create the session class, sessions HTTP session equal request get session equal, if it is true, if the session is true, if it is coming true, what happen is session, there will be the predefined property called set attribute. What is the value you are getting here? It is passing here, it is putting to this attribute user, right? If it is John, it is passing the user here. After that, we have to write the response dot get writer means it will be writing your request. After that, you have to write the simple HTML code. Okay, inside the, if you write the HTML code inside the servlet class, you have to write like this: print writer object print writer HTML body. We have to write print writer form method action. We have to write the simple form. Inside we have to create the servlet class like this: pw print line hello, click the button to proceed. After that, we have to write the simple button create method. We have to create one input button, right? Input submit value click. Okay, so here we have to write the form body, all the stuff. We have to create a simple HTML form inside the servlet class like this. Okay, this is the form, right? When you enter the username, it comes to the redirect to the servlet 1. What does is here? It will be saying the message hello, click the button to proceed. There will be the one click button. If you click that button, it will be redirect to the servlet 2 class, right? It will be redirect to the servlet 2 class, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, right? It redirect along with this session set attribute, right? It redirect along with this session, right? So I am going to go to create another servlet class. So new servlet. At this time you write servlet 2, right? Click next. It is your annotation work like this. This is a URL mapping servlet 2, right? It is like here I need no do get method. I no need this time anymore. I just simply have to uncheck it, click finish. You have to get it the servlet 2 here. Only go do post method only. We no need the rest of stuff. I have to remove it. No need, only the things we need. If it is all things we are enable it will be confusing, right? So it's very simple, right? Now here what I did here is we have to get the session, right? So servlet 2, right? Don't worry about this, all the source code I provide in my Tutors Funny website. You will be able to download, right? So here the thing is this print writer, this one, right? Okay, now what I did is here we have to create the print writer class to write the HTML codes. If you are not to implement this class, we won't able to write the HTMLs, right? So first we have to write the HTTP session class, create the object session request dot request. This request, what is the request coming from that servlet 1? You have to get the particular request dot get session, get the session. What is the session you are? It will be reside on servlet 1. You will be getting over here. You have to get the object dot OK the session attribute user. User means this is user. What is this is user, right? It will be coming here. After that you have to create string user k, this k dot to string. After that response dot set content type. It will be enabled to write the HTML codes. After that write pw response dot get writer. After that we have to write the simple HTML code, right? This HTML body, close this HTML has started closing here. Inside the body we have to write the simple code over here. What the session you are retrieving here, you have to write pw print line hello equal this user, right? This user mean what is the session you are writing here, it's passing to here. it will be passing here. It is passing to this variable. This variable we are calling here hello. You have to write a concatenate operators plus, here also concatenate operator plus, what the session you are retrieving, you are passing here. It will, the message display look like this: hello, your username, what is the username you are enter on the particular text box, it will be passing over here along with the hello message as well as welcome, right? This is the things we have happening here. This is a very good example about how to communicate one servlet to another, right? Very good example. You must learn servlet like this, right? So now what I am going to do is how to run this application. First select your project, right click, properties, right, properties. Here you have to make sure the in Eclipse project facts, go to the runtimes. If it is not check Apache, you check it Apache here, apply and close it. After that you just go to select your file, okay, this one index.jsp. This is the main file of the program. Run on server. Here we are not, I'm not save it, you save all, then only it will work. This is your servlet started. Click next. What's your project name? You select pick up from here, servlet example. So servlet example, right? Click finish, restart the server. Okay, yellow, the firewall I allow it, right? This is your page. Okay, this is your page, very simple. This is your page. Now what I am going to do is here, if you are run on here also you can run it. Browser also you can run it. Otherwise you can test that NetBeans Eclipse is easy stuff. Otherwise you can put into copy and paste it over here, press enter key. Here also you can run it. Okay, that is your convenient, right? So now here I am going to write the name of the person. I am going to run it as John. Click login button. It works successfully. It is passing to the servlet 1. Servlet means this one. Here it will be getting the request. Here hello, click the button to proceed along with the button. That's the things we have to display over here, right? If you click it, hello, welcome John, welcome, hello John, welcome. This is how it works. The same thing like this here, Peter, login, the simple. Okay, you can either run on here or here, right? Okay, this is very easy stuff for testing purpose. We have very easy stuff. Okay, if you are running here, okay, in Eclipse, right? I hope you guys understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.